Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to update software version. To do this, open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Now scroll down and go to update firmware. Firmware is the same as software, but you need to sign in into the application, because without it you cannot check for updates or update software version. So sign in. And then you just tap on it, and right here we have the information that I have the last software version. If you haven't, you can enter inside this update firmware, and you will see a window, and at the bottom you will see install. You just tap at this button and update. At this channel we have a video about this, so how to do this. You can check it if you want to. Now, if it didn't help you, I also recommend it to go to additional settings and firstly disable dual connection, because with dual connection you may have connection instability, so we need to disable this mode. Now check. If it didn't help you, also I recommend it to, in the application, go to the sound, audio effects, and then dimensional audio, and disable right here immersive sound. We just disable spatial audio, because spatial audio also sometimes with it you may have connection instability. Now, if all these methods didn't help you, also we can perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. At the bottom near USB-C port we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button for at least 10 seconds until the LED light on the front side flashing white 3 times. So press and hold. Firstly it starts to blinking white. It's okay, just enter to prank mode. Don't worry, just keep holding connectional button. 1, 2, and 3. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove and reconnect these earbuds. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. So you will see them at the device list. We don't need to use connectional button. You just tap at these earbuds here and we just reconnect them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!